This owner thought one tiny cooling hut would save his cats from the summer heat. But the line for it was longer than a Black Friday sale. With the AC barely helping, these meltdown kitties needed relief. Fast. So he got them a small insulated foam house, only to find a full queue of cats waiting their turn. Solution? Upgrade to a mega cooling mansion. Well, mostly for him. Just kidding. All the cats pile in together, except that one lone drama queen who missed the memo. Imagine the bliss. Icy AC air, plus a cozy foam fortress. Which cat are you? Team group cuddle or solo diva? Drop a like if this heatwave struggle was too real, and subscribe for more perfectly relatable content.